Good morning. It's time again for Trust Matters Real Estate and Estate Planning Solutions with Sean Robertson of Gateville Law Firm. They're in Yorkville and online at gatevillelawfirm.com. And Sean joins us in studio once again on this Wednesday. Sean, how are we today?
Doing well, just trying to stay warm.
Yeah, it's that time of year, a little chilly outside. As today we are focusing on guardianship court. And I don't know if we've kind of hit this topic so much before. There's so many different avenues with this entire type of topic, and so many ways we can go here. So we hit a new topic with guardianship and the rest of it. What's the overview on today's show?
Yeah, basically what the overview is, Mike, is guardianship and incapacity is really growing because there's a lot of older people out there that are losing the ability to make decisions for themselves. So, like, for example, I got a phone call from my cousin yesterday where they have a friend that lives in Illinois where their mom has dementia and they want a power of attorney. The problem is it's too late then. So that's where guardianship court comes in. So guardianship court basically deals with a disabled person's rights, money, as well as making educational decisions, making healthcare choices. So guardianship basically is a court of last resort.
Yeah, and what makes it go to guardianship court? How does it get to that stage?
So generally, somebody either doesn't have a power of attorney, and like a parent develops Alzheimer's, dementia, meaning they can't make decisions, or maybe somebody has an adult disabled person that has special needs like autism. So that's how they end up in guardianship court, because the court has to appoint a guardian for that disabled adult.
All right, so there's obviously a process here for filling out for guardianship, but what do you have to do to make all this happen?
So really the first step is they need to get a medical report or physician's report. And depending on which county you are, like Kendall County or DeKalb or LaSalle, the local courthouse normally has the medical report or physician's report on the court webpage. That's the first step. And then obviously the second step is a lot of times you must have an attorney, because a person can't represent another person can't be an attorney. You can represent yourself when it comes to like small claims matters, but when it comes to a disabled person, it gets difficult to represent yourself.
All right, and are there some other things that people need to keep in mind too with this?
Yeah, so there's things. So there's filing a petition with the court that basically is seeking the appointment of a proposed guardian, and you have to send notices to different family members and interested parties. The law requires the heirs to be noticed and be given it, as well as the guardian needs to be given the paperwork too. The proposed disabled person, to give them the ability to object. And there's some other court paperwork as well. So the point is, there's a process to getting this guardianship paperwork done in the local courthouse.
And there's different types of guardianships too, right?
Correct.
Full-time, partial. How does that all break down?
Yeah, so it kind of depends on what's in somebody's best interest. So you generally have like a guardian of the finances, and then you have guardian of the person, which generally guardian of the person makes like healthcare decisions, like parental roles, and then the finances are the ones that deal with like, okay, can you sell real estate? Can you how do you handle money? Those are the two different types of guardians.
And then maybe a little bit on seeking court approval. There's some steps involved there too.
Yeah, so a lot of times, like for example, this morning I was in guardianship court, and we had to petition a court, and I heard somebody else where you have to get court approval before you can sell real estate. You need court approval before you can enter into a contract. So there's a lot of reasons why people don't want to be in court. Number one, the attorney fees, and number two, it's pretty intrusive.
Yeah. court just kind of makes you nervous, too.
Yeah,
It's like-
absolutely. Especially guardianship court. I mean, I'm an attorney, and I would not want to be in guardianship court.
Yeah, not fun at all. Well, the folks at Gateville Law Firm can help answer all of your questions regarding this topic or anything that ties in with real estate and estate planning. Trust matters. Real estate and estate planning solutions from Gateville Law Firm Sean Robertson. They're online, too, at gatevillelawfirm.com and located in Yorkville. Give them a call, 630-780-1034. We'll see you next time.